No.
Claire, help, help. He's gonna tickle me if I get down. Oh no. What do I do?
Try it. Try to get through there.
What'd you tell me, Doug? Straight or the other way? This way?
That way. Landscape.
Oh no. You're really fast. Sometimes he has tickle hands when he dies.
I don't hear any crying, Rach.
But, right down here's your butt.
But what about no Uncle Mark?
Oh, I don't know about him.
But
What do we do? How do we wake him up?
what about sisters and brothers?
What about sisters and brothers?
These things.
Those
I
are
wouldn't
friends.
miss them, but it's my friend.
Hey, what about him?
What's wrong with him anyway?
Yeah, what's wrong with him?
I don't know. Maybe. Too much tickles.
You better go
Maybe
check
he
him.
wants tickles? It didn't work. Are you smelling his feet?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Dan.
You're the same.
What happened to him?
I don't know.